All right, eighth grade, we are going to do our bell work. It's week 5, detailed sentences. All right, this week we are going to be discussing detailed sentences. Last week we talked about topic sentences. Now, in paragraph number 1, Thomas thought 5 reasons why he deserved a raise. That is the topic sentence. I'm going to highlight that in yellow. Now, when you are doing detailed sentences, things to look for are what are called transition words. Since he said 5, we know there's going to be 5 sentences about reasons. And if you notice, we have the word first, in addition, furthermore, another reason for the things. Now, we have first. He was always punctual or on time. That is a reason. So we're going to finish our highlighting of that sentence. In addition, he used only about 5 days of his sick leave every year. That's a second reason. Furthermore, he's willingly worked overtime. That's another reason. And then another reason, is that he was the foreman had never yelled at him to get back to work, and he always made an effort to do a good job. That are the 5 reasons. So the last sentence here that I'm going to highlight back in yellow is what we'd call our clincher. It's our conclusion. After he had worked for the railroad for 2 years, Thomas asked for and received a raise. That is how we decide what are the details. How you do it, I color coded mine. I picked out my topic sentence. I did my detailed sentences in a different color. If you want to do your clincher sentence, that's great. If not, no big deal. So look at paragraph number 2. Student council representatives are decision makers and organizers, and they provide valuable services to the community. That would be a topic sentence. So I'm going to highlight that. Now, after that would come probably our detailed sentences. We have the word most importantly, next in importance, and finally. Those are our transition words. So I'm going to finish highlighting those sentences. Most importantly, they help make decisions to create better high schools for students. That is the decision maker. We have they're responsible for organizing most of the dances during the school year. That's the organizers. And then finally, during Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays, they collect and deliver goods to the town's needy family. That is the provide a valuable service. So our topic sentence was a specific, it listed them out. And then I found that list within my paragraph. The last sentence here is these are some of the important contributions that student council representatives can make to their high school and town. What you are going to do is you're going to continue on and you can highlight. I think that's the best way to do this, the detailed sentences. If you want to do them in a different color, do your topic sentences and your conclusion sentence. Anything in between should be your details. So this week, you're going to do these. I have put the uh, bell work in one form. When you are done, you are going to submit it to me. Have fun and good luck.